Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, December 28th, 2023. Let's find out what do we have for today's economic calendar. I got only medium important and very important events for today. As you can see, all of them are during the New York session. So what do we have here? First, overnight industrial production and retail sales data from Japan beats the expectations. Both of them are better than expected. Minus 0.9 industrial production, 5.3% retail sales. During the New York session, we got very important event, initial jobless claims. This data is scheduled for this 2:30, together with retail inventories excluding autos and goods trade balance. At 4 o'clock p.m., we got another very important data scheduled for release from the US. This is the pending home sales data. And 1 hour later, we got crude oil inventories scheduled for release as well. At the end of the day, we got a 7-year note auction scheduled for release at 7 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. we got Fed's balance sheet. So plenty of important data released during the New York session. All of them are related to the US dollar, so maybe we'll start as usual with the euro dollar and then we'll go to the US dollar to see what is going on. For our chart of the US euro dollar to the euro dollar, basically is apparently continuing the cup and a handle formation that we spotted some time ago. So well done for everyone who was doing something with the spotted cup and handle pattern, like trading it. We broke above this technical resistance and 61% Fibonacci retracement level at 1.1018, so it's now broken, and this level, this tiny zone between 1.1018 and 1.1008 will act as the demand zone now. We broke about the swing high from 2023, located at 1.1062 as well. Now this will act as the technical support as well, and now we are heading towards the 1.1150. This is the next medium important target for the bulls. Right now we are consolidating around the level of 1.1126, so it's only roughly 25 pips away from the target level. Momentum is of course extremely overbought. Momentum is on the extremely overbought levels. It's positive, it's strong, 75 points right now, but it is clear that we are having the, let me just find the arrow, there you go, we are having the bearish divergence which is building on the 4-hour chart between the price and the momentum right now. So we should see some sort of the pullback, some sort of the correction soon. So that was the euro dollar. Let me just take the screenshot for the euro dollar, and the next one we are going to talk about will be, of course, the US dollar index. So what is the US dollar index is doing? Not very well. Apparently we got a new low. Last time we've made a let's say a measurement of minus 5.23%. This measurement is the last swing low. These days we got, of course, the measurement of minus 6.27, because that's the new low made here. 100.64 is the level of the new low. So US dollar is getting weaker across the board. Sooner or later we should test the low of the 23, and this low is located at 99.55. so this is below the level of 100. But if you take a look at the momentum is of course at the extreme. 28 points right now, 28 and a half basically. Nevertheless, this level here means that the momentum is right now very negative. Bears are in control of the market. the US dollar is getting weaker across the board. So this movement to the upside for all of the 2022, basically almost all of the 2022, and this consolidation here and the attempt to rally in the middle of the 2023 might be not enough for the bears, and they might even push the prices lower. So if we talk about the USA, what is the S&P 500 doing? And as you can see, S&P 500 is about to hit the level of 4,817. What is this level? Let me just zoom out for you guys. This is the high from 2022. So basically, we are about to hit the 1 year high again. So this level is about to be tested. Maybe it will be even broken. However, as you can see, extremely overbought conditions are present on the market. We got this nice daily sell-off on the 20th of the December, and that was the, let's say, a pause or pullback on the momentum as well. Now we are rising again, and of course price is moving up again. We still kind of are in the inside of this channel. Maybe something like this should be made. So this is a very aggressive 45-degree upward sloping channel, which means that this movement from the lows of 4,101 is very, very dynamic, very aggressive. So the target should be the high from the 2020 to 4,820. We are not that far away from it. Then please watch the reaction of market participants when we hit this target. Will we have some kind of a very nice big sell-off when we hit this target, or maybe there is something else in plans for the market participants, right? Maybe double top. Maybe the numbers of scenarios here are quite big, so it will be better to just take a look on the current situation on the S&P 500 in order to manage your risk accordingly. All of the other American indices, Nasdaq, Dow Jones and stuff like this, the Russell even, I guess, they are all above the 2022 highs already. So the S&P is the lagging one, basically. Nevertheless, as long as we trade above this swing high, 27 of the July 2023, located at 4,612, the outlook remains bullish. If we break below this level, then of course the pullback might be extended to the downside. It might turn into the correction even, but as long as we trade below this low, as long as we trade above this low, 4,101, the outlook is still bullish, just the correction will be bigger. Only a breakout below this low would change the outlook to more bearish. So we got the S&P 500, we got the euro dollar, we got the US dollar index. Let's find out what the crude oil is doing, because we got data today for the crude oil. Let's switch to the lower time frame. And on the lower time frame, you can see that we moved a little bit higher, roughly around 12.50% already to the upside, with a new local high above 75.36. Now the new local high is 76.13. Not that much, to be honest. Nevertheless, it is the new swing high. Now this correction is bigger correction than the previous one, that's for sure, and I guess bigger than the other one. There you go. That's the biggest correction to the upside we got during this movement from the highs of the 28th of the September, located at 95.02. Okay, so it might be the beginning of the price and time overbalance, right? But there is one situation here that we need to talk about. The shape of this correction is purely corrective in nature. So right now, despite the fact that this is still the biggest correction to the upside, The momentum is still positive, but it's on the verge of the breakout to the below the level of 50. It's been bouncing from the level of 50 many times. If we break below the 100 periods moving average and hit the level of 72.14, which is the technical support, the outlook then will become way more bearish for the crude oil. So please watch the current developments on the crude oil, watch the data, because right now neither bulls nor bears, they don't know what exactly to do at this last day of the 2023, where to go and how to solve this situation, right? So we just need more data, a little bit more time to see what is going on here. We got very nice dark cloud cover pattern here, so that's a bearish pattern for sure. Now we need another extension to the downside in order to confirm the top for the correction at 76.13 and then downtrend continuation lower. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.